What is this? Holy shit. We got more of this sexy motherfucker, bro. Deadass. Listen. Jeff Satur, the more and more I see you, it's just the more and more I fall in love. And the thing is, you know, the catch is like, I'm in a relationship. I have a girlfriend. But sometimes there's some people that just got me thinking like, damn, you good looking. And you're one of those people. I feel like if Jeff was in front of me, I would like kind of blushing. I didn't know what I would do. Jeff Satur, dumb, Unchained live version. I don't know what to expect. Oh, he's sweating. Unchained live version. Oh, he got marked. Not his nails. They still look good though. He blinded. What kind of kinky?
Laying down the floor from the wounds that you tore. They can save me no more. No one ever leaves the door. Draw me.
Oh my God. Is his neck bruised? Like somebody like choked his ass out? Oh. Alright, leave him alone. Oh, damn, they kinky. What is... What are we getting into? Oh! That was kind of badass, actually. I didn't expect the guitar. You bad mo. I love you. What? Is this too soon? Are we getting a relationship? Oh, no, we're not. Okay, let's not think about that. Wait, who are these dancers in the background? Why would I feel so scared right now? I feel vulnerable. Why does it sound like a badass? Why does the background sound like Last of Us? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, you better sing. Oh my goodness. Ooh. The dancers too. The dancers be killing it, y'all. Damn. I'm gonna go after that. No, While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. That was badass. That was cool. You're so cool, bro. You're so cool. That was dope. No wonder it's the most replayed. What the Stop! No, Is this real? Why am I questioning it? Like, I'm questioning reality right now. Jeff, do you understand how much power you have over me right now? After that, it's kind of crazy. Damn. Impressive. I don't even know what to do with myself. Should I just end my stream? Hey, yo, Jeff. I don't even know why I'm talking to you like you're listening. No, you're not. You're not gonna see this. I might upload this, but you're not gonna see this. That's for sure. This shit was fire.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.